Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make carrot and cucumber raita, which will take only 5 minutes. This is the side dish for roti, paratha, rice. Even in South India, we used to call pachdi. So yeah, so let's start the recipe. So for this recipe, what you need here, I took 2 carrot and I have one cucumber, half cucumber. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the skin of the carrot and the cucumber. So here I peeled the skin of the carrots and the cucumber. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this grater. If you have a food processor, you can use the food processor. But today I'm going to use this grater. So with the help of the grater, I grated this carrot and cucumber. So this raita is very healthy guys, because we used the carrot and the cucumber. Usually many people they use the bundi, onion, tomato, but the carrot is good for our eyesight also, and this is good for the kids, and they like this raita a lot. So yeah, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one in the vessel. So in this I'm going to add 5 to 6 tablespoon of yogurt, that is curd. So here I added the thick dahi, the yogurt, and I'm going to mix these things together. And in this I'm adding some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your raita. And again we have to mix, and I added some chopped coriander in the top of the raita. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make a healthy vegetable raita for rice, pulao, roti, paratha at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.